This is what they want done. Bird droppings, mainly bird droppings. Anywhere where there's bird droppings, they want. Upside the wall, you can see bird droppings. More bird droppings. Bird droppings. They've got 3 awnings that they need. I'm gonna do this just for clean all of this up. So they'll use me again. It's only 2 of them. That'll be an easy. Gotta be an easy clean. These are easy cleans. Same with this awning here. Any of the bird droppings. Dirt and bird droppings. This sidewalk entrance down here is not really a problem. And then on this end down here, bird droppings. We got more of them. Let's see if we can see anything with this bird dropping. Sorry, man. Bird dropping. So we got 3 awnings full of bird droppings.